Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code result code kill bad message on Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now while you can encounter this on any browser, we are assuming it for Microsoft Edge because it's a Chromium based browser. The procedure will remain same for any Chromium based browser including Google Chrome. The first solution is to restart your browser, so simply close it and then open it once again. The second solution is to clear the Chrome and Edge cache. So open the Edge browser or the Chrome browser or any other Chromium browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select history. Click on this bin like symbol. Change the time range to all time. Wait for it to change to all time. And then click on clear now once it changes. The next solution is to check if extensions are causing the issue, and to do so, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select extension. Click on manage extensions. If any extension is enabled and it is causing a problem, try disabling it and check if it helps. And if it does, then you can remove that extension because it's problematic. The next solution is to update your browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and feedback, and then click on Microsoft Edge. For Chrome, you can click on about Google Chrome. The next one is to disable third-party antivirus programs, and for that you will have to contact the manufacturer of your third-party antivirus program because the procedure is brand specific. And finally, you can always try using a different browser. Now, if you're using a Chromium-based browser, I suggest you to use Firefox meanwhile to isolate the cause. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.